A long, long time ago, in a certain village, there lived an old man and an old woman. The old man would go to the mountains to gather firewood, while the old woman would go to the river to do the laundry. One day, as the old woman was washing clothes in the river, she saw a giant peach floating down the stream. It bobbed along the water. Surprised, she picked up the peach and brought it home. When she and the old man tried to cut the peach open, they were astonished to see a healthy baby boy emerge from inside. Overjoyed, they decided to raise the child as their own and named him Momotaro, meaning peach boy. Momotaro grew up into a strong and brave young man. One day, he heard the villagers talking about a terrible problem. Demons, or Oni, lived on Demon Island and would frequently attack the village, stealing treasures and causing havoc. With a strong sense of justice, Momotaro declared, "I will go to Demon Island and defeat the demons." The old man and the old woman were worried, but they saw his determination and decided to help him prepare for the journey. The old woman made kibidango, special millet dumplings, and the old man gave Momotaro a sword and armor. After receiving their blessings, Momotaro set off on his adventure. On his way to Demon Island, Momotaro met a dog. "Momotaro, where are you going?" the dog asked. "I am going to Demon Island to defeat the demons," replied Momotaro. "If you give me a kibidango, I will join you," said the dog. Momotaro gladly shared a dumpling, and the dog became his companion. As they continued, they met a monkey. The monkey asked the same question, and after receiving a kibidango, also joined Momotaro's party. Further along, they encountered a pheasant. Like the others, the pheasant received a kibidango and became part of the group. With his 3 loyal companions, Momotaro pressed on toward Demon Island. When they reached Demon Island, they found a huge fortress where the demons lived. Inside, the demons were making merry, drinking and feasting. Momotaro shouted, "Let's teach these demons a lesson," and charged forward with his companions. The dog bit the demons' legs, the monkey climbed the walls and scratched their faces, and the pheasant pecked at their heads from above. Momotaro fought bravely against the demon chief, who swung a giant club. However, Momotaro was strong and skillful, and in the end, he defeated the demon chief. The demons, now terrified, fell to their knees and cried, "We surrender! We will never do evil again." They handed over all the treasures and riches they had stolen. Momotaro and his companions carried the treasure back to the village. The people rejoiced at his victory, and the old man and old woman were overjoyed to see him return safely. Thanks to Momotaro, peace returned to the village, and he lived happily ever after. And so the tale ends happily.